Hi guys, Mr. Squeaky Voice is back. Yeah, always the same thing with me. Very annoying. I'm gonna do something about that one day. But it's time. Even though we're not finished, not everything is the way I want it to be. But tomorrow morning at 7 o'clock, transport is coming to get my baby back to Guus. Very excited. So, I am this evening gonna talk. I'm not gonna talk anymore. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna collect all the stuff I have, put it in the fort overnight. Tomorrow morning, very early, push the car out, and well, get her to Guus. Well, good morning, my friends. Early in the morning. More ready than ever. Transport is about to arrive in about 10 to 15 minutes. We're gonna remove the Ford so we can push the Ferrari out. I'm so excited. Finally. Well, okay guys, here's the Ferrari, there's the transporter. Close transport, very safe, very cool. Yeah, we're gonna get the car in and then we're gonna move to Guus. Transport deluxe. What a sight she's in. Cool. So exciting, guys. I'm in the fort. The Ferrari is in the trailer. We're gonna defrost some windows. And then we're off to Guus. And this is going to be my view the next hour, I think. Still going strong. It's kind of scary to be driving this slow behind a truck that carries your own car. But we're moving forward. And we have arrived. Here's the combination. And I already see some nice things. And here's the shop of Guus. And well, pretty awesome because it's completely filled again. I think we're gonna do a small tour once the 308 is out. And there you have it, my baby. Well guys, here she is. In car heaven. Yes, finally. It's been quite a journey. To be honest, she has been at home for about 2 years now. So 2 years ago, or 2.5 years ago, I brought the 308 here at Guus to get the engine and the gearbox rebuilt. And now they are getting back together. Yes. And you know what? We're just gonna do a little tour because look at all the cars here. I see a 512 TR, a 348, a 430. I see a very special Maserati. We're gonna take a closer look. A 412, a Maria. You know what I mean. Heaven. Well guys, the Ferrari is gone. She's in good hands with Guus, I know. But still, it breaks my heart a little bit when she's not here in the garage. before we continue, I want to thank you all so much for all the nice comments you left me the last weeks. There have been several. That means a lot to me. I didn't reply to them yet, but a lot of help came, not only public but also besides the YouTube and Instagram, etc. I got a lot of help to solve the problems, but it was a little bit too late because the car is to Guus and Guus is gonna solve it. And I know now that it's not gonna be a big problem. But thank you guys. Thank you so much. So what we do now? We got an empty garage. Oh no! No, we haven't got an empty garage. No, we haven't got an empty garage. Yeah, that's right. Because there she is, the Daily Daddy driver. The BMW is inside. Because we got a little problem with the car. A big problem with the car. I'm gonna tell you all about that in the next video. Because for now, I am tired. We have to prepare for Halloween. I'm making my wardrobe. How do you call it? Ward with some garlic and some. That's gonna be cool, but you're not gonna see that. Meanwhile, thank you for watching. See you again next time, and a goodbye.